and positive vibes. Welcome to our channel where we discuss all things beauty and wellness. Instead of being a Bridezilla before your wedding day, we promote the Chillzilla in you. Today we're going to be talking about your morning of timeline. The wedding timeline looks like this. We start at 8 a.m. and then we go until about 12 or 1 o'clock. And don't worry, we'll have all the artists there that are needed for the amount of people that need to be ready in that amount of time. Each person takes about 45 minutes per service. Don't stress too much about knowing who goes at what time, because that 100% always shifts. One person's, missing a shoe, another person needs to go, pick up their kid, things like that. So there's things that are always shifting the morning of, and like I said, if your starting gals are there at 8 o'clock and we start rolling, everyone else is going to just, filter in naturally. So in between 1 to 4, 1 to 5 is when all of the photos, all the transportation, and things like that are going to happen. Now, a lot of questions that I get are, when do you go as the bride? Usually 100% of my brides always ask if they can go at the end. And that is the worst thing to do. And let me tell you why. Because if everyone else is ready and you're not ready, you're going to start panicking. So we don't want that, okay? We are here, like I said, we're here to promote the Chillzilla in you. So I suggest that you go around 10 o'clock, and let me promise you, your hair and makeup will last you all night long. So don't worry about that. We have your back, girl. We are trying to make things as seamless and easy as possible. If you would like to book a mindful morning with us to get you centered and connected before your big day, we would love to come and gift you and your family a yoga class that would start an hour and a half before you need to get ready. And just breathe and connect with themselves and with each other, relax, get some zen, chill vibes, hashtag Chillzilla before all the wedding preparations start to happen. So thank you for tuning in. Please feel free to check us out at justlago.com. Follow our journey on Instagram at justlago. Feel free to shoot us a DM and let us know how your Chillzilla journey is going. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. We can't wait to see you on your wedding day. Say bye. That's it. And we'll catch you next time.